This short tutorial will explain the difference between popular and scholarly sources. Some examples of popular sources are newspapers and magazines. They are easily recognizable and available at bookstores, grocery stores, and libraries. Scholarly sources are usually only available through libraries and used by people who are conducting and contributing to research. Popular sources are commonly known. They contain advertisements and are written for a general audience. The information is usually presented in a story format and the language is casual. Popular sources often do not include technical information or terms. Popular sources are written by staff writers or journalists, and the material is usually published by a commercial publisher. Scholarly sources contain new research or discoveries from various academic disciplines. Scholarly sources are written for academics or experts in a certain field. For example, researchers or university professors. These sources are written by other experts in the field who commonly have advanced degrees. Many scholarly sources are peer-reviewed, meaning they have been vetted by other experts in that field and usually published by a university press, professional organization, or independent scholarly publisher. Additionally, authors of scholarly sources list their credentials and affiliations, such as degrees and certifications, along with their publications. These publications are presented in a standard style of scholarly work. Often, an abstract is included at the beginning of the article to give the researcher a brief overview. The language is formal and technical and usually contains discipline-specific jargon. Articles have section headings and data is usually included to show results of studies or experiments. A standard element of a scholarly source is a reference section. An author of a scholarly work will always list the sources they use in a works cited or bibliography section at the end. West Library provides a variety of popular and scholarly sources in print and online through our catalog, accessible at westlibrary.txwest.edu. You can always call us for assistance at 817-531-4802 or email us at reference@txwest.edu. You have 24/7 access to research help through Ask a Librarian, accessible at txwest.libanswers.com.